This company was started by my grandfather back in 1915, and then my uncle George ran the company at my grandfather's death. My father was his predecessor, and I followed him. So it's kind of been an all-family affair for me.
The core competencies, in its simplest form, is like our strengths and our abilities on how we can do our job in the most effective way.
We all want to succeed. If a branch succeeds, the region succeeds, and it pushes up from there. We want our employees to be able to take the next step. Succession planning is a big part of our growth and our teamwork.
Teamwork, as in I need someone to help me, or if someone knows, they'll help me. So if I have a question or anything, or everybody's got my back here, basically.
So this whole program is not just I completed what I needed to do, but it's how you completed it, the teamwork that you put together to complete it. That's as equally as important, if not more important, because that ultimately goes back to our integrity.
Quality is very important to us here at Western. A lot of our customers are repeat customers, and that's because we do quality work.
Quality is twofold, one being the end product that we're performing, and the other is the quality of the people that we provide for our customers to interact with. There's trust in working with Western.
At Western, our leadership has a strong commitment to building a great safety culture within the organization. Safety definitely starts at the top.
It's something we constantly strive for, not just quality, but above and beyond what most people would do. Like that's our thing, is like, yeah, that's good, but let's do better.
They're reliable. They stand behind their work, and they believe that what they have to do to make it right for the customer is what they're going to do, and they stand by their work completely.
Most of our customers are repeat customers, and they know that we're going to do the quality of work. And they realize that, we are human, and there can be errors made out there, but at the end of the day, if there are problems, we are going to come fix them at no cost to them.
I think it definitely makes it easier to work there because, having a customer focus and, what that means to, what the value that adds is our reputation. It means adding repeat customers, referrals, which just adds to market growth. So it does make your job easier.
The creativity process comes in when actually doing the project. Nothing always goes smoothly. So there's definitely need for adjustment and being open-minded of how to get a certain job done by delivering the same result.
There's times where you have to think outside of the box. For instance, access. There could be areas of a building that you wouldn't think that you would be able to get to. But, when you have a lot of experience, chances are that there are means and methods.
There's such a large market across the United States, the restoration and repair market, that we're expecting our management, our top managers, to analyze who's the best customer to chase, where should I be spending my time, am I more profitable or less profitable in these typical work tasks, where do we perform as a team the best, and use those analytics to go chase that customer or that type of work.
So analytical to Western is we can find the right tool and any solution to get to the bottom line. We'll do what it takes to complete that task.
We survived the Depression, we survived the Great Recession, we're surviving now, so if we can do all that, I think we can keep going another 100 years.
Always be prepared for change. Change is not bad, change is good. Change is scary, you don't know what's gonna happen next. But as long as you're doing the right thing and you're good to people and you value people, you treat people well, you will never come in second.